I'm Julie Blanner from julieblanner.com, and today I'm sharing with you my favorite sweetbread recipe. It is such a classic, especially around the holidays, that's great for gift giving, to enjoy for breakfast or dessert. If Pinterest is any indication, you guys love it too. First, I wanted to go over your options for loaf pans. As I mentioned before, this is a great bread for gift giving. I like to use these mini loaf pans, which are only $1 at your local craft store, wrapped so beautifully with a little bit of ribbon. If you want to make a classic sweetbread, you can use a standard loaf pan, or if you want to take it up a notch, this beautiful bundt pan elevates it, as you can see. One of the best things about this sweetbread recipe is just how easy it is to make. It only takes about 10 minutes hands-on time and 50 to bake. We're going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. First, we're going to mix together our dry ingredients. We need 4 cups flour, and I've never been a sifter. In fact, I'm kind of a wing it girl. This is a foolproof recipe. Next, we're going to use 2 cups of sugar. Now we just need to add a teaspoon of salt. And then we'll add in 2 tablespoons of baking powder, which helps the bread rise. And then stir and set aside. Now we're going to combine our wet ingredients. First, we're going to add 2 eggs, followed by 2/3 cup of vegetable oil and 2 cups of milk. We'll mix for just a moment on low, just enough to break the eggs up. And now we'll gradually add our dry ingredients. Again, we're going to add our dry ingredients on low. And we're going to blend it until just incorporated. Now we're going to pour it into our prepared loaf pan. Make sure you leave a little space to compensate for rise. We'll check on it in about 40 to 50 minutes and use the toothpick test to see if it's ready. I like to use this pan because it really elevates a recipe and makes it just such a beautiful dessert. I'll leave a link to where I purchased it below. You can get the full recipe at julieblanner.com.